Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer and I make weekly videos here on my channel. So if you like today's video, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I have a home decor haul to share with you all. I have quite a few items I've picked up from Target and Home Goods and a few other places. So I'm gonna start with the items that I picked up from Target first. I was really in need of a new bath rug, so I got this one by Threshold. It's the micro polyester spa bath rug and it's so cozy and soft. It was very affordable and it's just so soft and fluffy and it feels so good on your feet when you step out of the shower. This is the first thing that I picked up from Target. Next, I got some new pillows. These are the Casa medium down alternative pillows, and I love these because they feel like down pillows, but it's down alternative, and they're very affordable as well. That's why I love Target. For the price, you can get really nice quality things. So I got two of these. I could only fit one in the video, but one's already on my bed and I've slept with them for a few weeks now. They're just so nice. So if you're in the market for new pillows, I definitely recommend these. They're the perfect medium firmness. Like it says, it's not too like squishy, but it's not too firm. So it's right in the middle, and I'm a side sleeper most of the time for reference, and this works great for me. Next at Target, I picked up this clear glass bowl. I think it's actually meant to be a serving bowl, but I'm using it in my kitchen for like a fruit bowl. It's really nice quality, and again, I just love Target. I'll link everything down below, but yeah, this is such a great glass bowl, and I like that I can see through it too, you know, like see how much fruit I have left, and it's just really chic and pretty. The next product I picked up is this set of 3 LED pillar candles. I got these for my bedroom, and I also showed these in my holiday gift guide. So I've had these for a little while, but I wanted to mention these because I really love them. They come with a remote, so you can control them from your bed. You don't even have to get up, and they come in white and this nice like yellowy shade. So love these. And the last thing I picked up from Target is this globe. So I actually got this for really just decor throughout the house, but right now I have it on the bookshelf in my living room. It's just black and white, again, so chic and cute, and it's very affordable. So next I picked up a few items from Michael's, which first one being these flowers I have next to me. They're like white hydrangeas, and I love these for decorating anywhere in the house. They're just so fluffy and elegant and pretty. So I got those, and I've had this vase for a while, but I'll link one if I can find one similar. And then also I found this in the clearance section. I'll see if I can find it online, but I just thought it was so pretty. I love the dark wood, and then it's matted down as well. And then it has a picture of this rose. This is just the photo that came with it, but I just thought it looks so pretty. I can always change it out, and you can hang it this way or like this. So yeah, I just thought this would be so pretty, and it matches the rest of my decor in my house. I also picked up one thing from Home Goods, and it is this heavy light pink, I don't know what you would call this. It's just kind of like a bookend is what I'm assuming. It looks like it's 3 books. For nice quality, this one was $24.99. Actually, it says right here, oh, it's genuine alabaster, hand carved in Italy. It's just so pretty. It matches the rest of the decor in my office. I know a lot of things at Home Goods you can't find anywhere else, but I'll try and see if I can find something similar online. We're on to the last product. So this is the Laundress Home Spray number 247, and it's for linens, furnishings, and rooms. And it's just a home spray that I keep in my bedroom, and I spray it every morning after I've made the bed just to kind of freshen up the bedroom. It has a really nice eucalyptus, lavender, bergamot, just a very fresh scent. Just smells so fresh and clean. And I know at the Container Store they have a few different room sprays. You can also buy this on their website, so I'll link this one. So that is everything for my home decor haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below which product is your favorite one that I shared. Again, I'll link everything down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and also don't forget to subscribe for my future videos, and I will see you all in my next video.